After 23 years of marriage and raising 3 children, Rachael and Lance decide to separate, parting on good terms after a lifetime together. They agreed to a peaceful division of their assets, including selling their family home and splitting their superannuation. However, when it came time to move forward, the couple hit an unexpected roadblock. The bank and Lance's superannuation fund required a binding financial agreement to finalise their property settlement and superannuation split. They discovered that getting a binding financial agreement through traditional legal channels would cost nearly $10,000, which added even more stress to an already emotional time. Fortunately, Rachael found RP Emery and a more efficient and affordable solution. Instead of spending $10,000, they downloaded RP Emery's BFA superannuation splitting kit, which included everything they needed. In just a few hours, they completed their agreement from the comfort of home. With the help of RP Emery's expert guidance and legal review service, Rachael and Lance were able to finalise their property settlement for less than $3,000 and with far less stress. Thanks to RP Emery, Rachael and Lance secured loans for their new homes and completed their superannuation split in weeks, not months. If you're looking for a fast, affordable and stress-free way to handle your property settlement and superannuation split, visit RP Emery today. Get started on your binding financial agreement now. Secure your future without the cost of traditional lawyers.